Hi, Mary from Reviewer's Diary. The colors are so washed out. I have lights on because it's so dreary outside. It's unbelievable. So anyway, I did get my November Ipsy box. Not positive if I love it, but I do love something that's in there. Actually like quite a few things, but dislike a couple things also. I'm strongly considering switching over to Beauty Fix. I know that most of their stuff is travel size. Some of it, like the November box, looks amazing. It has a full-size peel in it by a brand that I like. So I'm considering switching over because it's a box that I could review stuff that I get in and then share those reviews with you guys when the next box comes. So I was thinking about doing that. Anybody have any ideas about Beauty Fix, and if you like it? I've been watching an awful lot of Beauty Fix unboxings, and they actually look pretty good of late. So anyway, I don't expect all full size from them anymore. You know, you got to lower your expectations just a little bit with Beauty Fix. But anyway, this Ipsy box, I have so much makeup. I actually also have lots of skincare. So I'm thinking smaller sizes of things might be good. But also, I thought about switching over to the Ipsy bag. But I get mostly makeup through those bags, and I don't really need any more makeup. Like, even more so than skincare. Skincare I do go through pretty rapidly, but makeup not so much. You know how long it takes just to use up a small blush? It's like you just can't you can't do it. So anyway, without further ado, I'm going to get on with the unboxing. I like that they repeated the orange color, which is actually definitely appropriate for November. Still, it was appropriate for October. We have our card here with the prices in it, and I'm not going to look at those yet. There is something in here that I was shocked at the size of it, and the color is like me. It's all me. So anyway, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. This lip color, I think I'm going to trade. This nail color is exactly the right color for me. So, and the bag is kind of cute, but I'm going to pull everything out and go over it with you. I'm going to open things. The Dewy stick, I think I'll keep. Okay, so the Dewy stick came in a really pretty case with little stars on it. It's supposed to be a highlighter stick, but I know from experience these Dewy sticks, I have one that's a natural product, and it's gone bad. It's going bad, so I have to let that go. It came in some other box, but anyway, this is like a clear, it says it has a hint of shimmer, but I don't see it. Maybe deeper in there, there's some shimmer. Maybe it's showing up on camera, I'm not sure. But I do really like Dewy Stick, which I've had before in another brand. It was an all-natural brand. So I am going to keep this, but I typically keep my Dewy Stick on the top of my vanity because I grab it and I'll swipe it on. It just makes your skin look nice. And, you know, a little bit over the cheekbones looks really nice. So I do like that. I also got PURLISSE Blue Lotus Brightening Serum. And I love PURLISSE products. It almost doesn't matter to me if I have to rip the box to get the tube out. I have a lot of serums right now, but I am going to integrate this into the serums that I'm using. I have put them all in a tray, and I'm kind of rotating through all of them. So this is a pretty sizable tube. It looks like 1 fluid ounce. Anyway, I've heard good things about this stuff, and I'm sure that this is really nice. Next thing is the nail polish, which I do love. In fact, I think that, you know, you can see I took off the nail polish. It was all chipped. I think I'm going to be wearing this. This is a sealed bag, so I'm going to have to open it. So hold on. Okay, so the color is titled 1972. I like it. It's a very rose gold kind of a color, and it's really, really pretty and exactly the kind of polish I like. It feels like it has more in it, but I'll have to let you know. It might be the same amount of ounces as your regular standard. I'm not sure how well the brush thing is going to work. A lot of times with a large square or something like that, it's hard to get the last bits of polish out, but usually by the time you get down to that point, it's time to toss it anyway. So anyway, I really like this, so I am very happy that I got this nail polish. Now the next thing is the GIGI Gorgeous blush. I was shocked at how big this is. So let me pull this out and give you a look. It's beautiful. Okay, so this has a really pretty case, and it's big. I mean, look at it, and it's huge. And so it's going to last me forever. But look at the colors. They're coming off a little peachier than they truly are. But anyway, the camera's picking up more orange, and it's not orange. It's like a peachy color pink with a shiny pink. Let me see if I can get away from the orange and see if I can get the color right. No. Let's see if I come in closer. Kind of close, but not exact. So anyway, I do really like this, but that having been said, I have too many blushes now. So that is one of the motivating. I'm going to keep this because I love it. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. That having been said, I don't need any more makeup. Now wait till you see the lipstick. I can't wear this, so this is definitely going to go into trade. Unless one of you tells me that you've tried it and it looks nice and it's kind of sheer. It's really like a red that I don't know if I could get away with. They call it a smoky red, quote unquote. So hold on while I get the tube out. Okay, well, I'm not a fan of the bulky packaging. It's very bulky, and it's a standard size lipstick, so it really didn't need to be this bulky. It is a magnetic closure, which I really like. I'm going to have to use two hands to get this up. No. Okay. I don't want to swatch it because I don't think I'm going to be keeping this. This is called a smoky red. I can get away with red lipstick, but I don't think I can get away with this one. I think it's just going to look black on my lips. I think you have to be a person who's self-tanning all year or have a darker skin tone than I have, or I don't know, like different skin tones might do well with this. It's a cool red, and I typically like warm reds. I don't want to swatch it because I don't want to make it so that I can't trade this away. If you got this and you're finding, see that the case is, you can see how thick the case is. But what's really cool, and I wish everything had this, is the magnet. Watch. Well, it usually snaps right back on, but I don't think I can wear this, and so this is going to have to go. So I'm going to have to give this away to somebody in trade. I am on the swap site on my subscription addiction. Yeah, the bag. I don't find the bags to be important to me. It is a nice bag. It's got a tassel. You know, it's attractive. It's got like satin piping around the sides. Very well made. You know, but I'm not, I don't get that enthusiastic unless the bag is like really like stunning as hell. So anyway, I'm going to put everything back together and show you one more time. Okay, so this is what it looks like. I would have preferred more skincare, But I am happy to have gotten this because I was going to trade for it, and I'm glad I got it because I'm going to be integrating this right into my serum routine. I do, as I said, rotate my serums because I have plenty. So anyway, here are the products per the card, and I do see prices, but they're very small. By the time you see this video, I will have added the prices for all these items into the video, so you'll already know how much these are. There were 2 nail polishes when I looked at all the different things that were available, and one of them was as red and dark as that lipstick, and I'm glad I got this one because rose gold is one of my favorite nail colors. So anyway, I'd be happy to get more of those nail colors for sure. Not that I need them. I definitely don't need more nail polish, but I did just use one that was chunky and chipped on me right away, so I think some of my nail colors are starting to wear out. So anyway, I am very happy with this, and just thinking I might switch more so because I want more skincare than makeup. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. Let me know what you got. If you got this lipstick in the smoking on screen color, the dark red, and you tried it, let me know how it looks. Like maybe I'm misjudging it. Maybe it's not as bad on as it looks in the tube, but it definitely doesn't look like a good color for me. So anyway, thank you very much for watching. This is Mary with Reviewer's Diary. I will be coming to you with more reviews in the near future. And let me know what you think about me switching over to Beauty Fix and doing reviews for you every time a new box arrives for stuff in the previous box. The November box looks amazing, so I'm thinking I might even just get that box. So anyway, thank you and have a beautiful evening. Good night.